Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carol and the name of my channel is My Blessed Nest. Today I'm back in my craft room. If you didn't see the video where I revealed my craft room, I'll link it below so you can check it out. But I'm super excited. My husband made me a lovely crafting area, and so I'm ready to put it to good use. Today I'm participating in a challenge with Sandra over at the Schwowin's Nest. I hope I pronounced that right. If you haven't checked out her channel, she's totally amazing. She does all kinds of crafts and turns junk into something really cool. She's very well spoken and her projects turn out amazing. You will love her channel. So check her out. I will link her as well as the playlist below in my description box. The name of the challenge that I'm participating in is called the Craft Your Stash with Nature DIY Challenge. I'm not much for nature because of my allergies, but I'm gonna make this work. The rules are simple. We just need to craft something from our stash and we can make it whatever we want, and she wants us to incorporate something from nature. So I don't know if you guys saw this video or not where I did this tin, but I'll link it below so you can check it out if you haven't seen it. In that video I mentioned that it would be very cool to make something on the back of this tin. So this I used around Christmas and through the winter, and I put some evergreen branches and just prettied it up for that time of the year. And so now I'm ready for spring and summer, and I'm going to turn it around. And what I thought I would put on the other side is this. I printed this off the computer, and it's kind of a take on my channel name, My Blessed Nest. So I thought this would be good for any time of the year, and I'm going to show you how I do it, and then we'll go outside and I'll show you how I'm going to set it up on my back porch. So if this sounds like something you would enjoy, stay tuned and let's get started. I have everything laid out here, hopefully, that I'm going to need. I have my pattern, which I already showed you, and then I've pre-cut a piece of transfer paper. It's graphite transfer paper. I have a pencil for tracing, a Sharpie for outlining, a black Sharpie, and I have some black paint. I'm using the matte and my trusty fine paintbrush. I also have some blue painter's tape. So let's try this right about here. Okay, I'm going to tape that down with my painter's tape. My first step is going to be to trace this out using my graphite paper. So I'm hoping that it will show up enough that I will be able to see my pencil marks. So let's give it a little peek. It's not showing up real good, so I'm going to press a little harder. Okay, you can barely see it there, but that's what the black marker is going to be for. I'm going to outline it with the black marker once I get my penciling done. Alright, I'm going to take my black Sharpie and I'm going to outline everything I've just traced. Okay, one important tip. If you're going to be tracing like this and using the graphite paper, do not remove this pattern until you have everything transferred over the way you like it to here, because this was very hard to see my lines, so that's why I kept going back and forth. looks like. So I like tracing out with the same color that you're going to be painting so that it kind of gives you like a pattern to follow. There's what I have. So I'm very happy with how this turned out. I'm gonna let it dry and then I will go outside and show you how I'm going to add my nature portion to this craft. Well, here we are on my back porch, and I got these branches off of my mom's dogwood tree. When I was over there, my dad just happened to be trimming the dogwood tree, and I thought, wow, that would look really pretty in my tin. So they're not the same color that they usually are. They're more of a yellowish flower this year. My dad thinks maybe because of the frost. But I just stuck them in there and arranged them, and then I have this on my back porch. So I'm really happy with it. And you can probably hear the birds tweeting in the background, so you got a 2-for-1 with nature. I hope you enjoyed my brush with nature today. Thanks for joining me. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. And also, don't forget to check out the playlist below of all the other collaborators so that you can see what they made. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.